All right, hey everybody. I wanted to walk through this tool that we found called AI Playground by a company called Vercel. And what it allows you to do is it allows you to run your prompts across multiple different models and kind of see what the differences in their responses are. You can add a couple per your query, and so it has a bunch of the different OpenAI models. It has the 2 different Anthropic models from Claude. It has the Alpaca model, which I believe has been in the news a little bit. It has 2 Google open source models. Something from Big Science called Blooms. Don't know what that is, so we'll play around with that. And 2 from something from Cohere. And they have 2 different, there's a medium and an extra large. It's probably the size of them. So thought we would just kind of throw a couple different prompts their way, and we could see what happens. So we'll try Claude Instant. I'm thinking the Alpaca. Try Big Science too. Something's hitting me about Big Science. So let's try to get it to write some content, because that's usually an interesting test between some of these. So let's see. Write a can you write us a YouTube video description for a video about how to become vegan in 2023. So let's see what this comes up with. Interestingly enough, the Alpaca model just responded with 15 minutes. The Big Science model just says veganism is a lifestyle that excludes all animal products, including meat, fish, dairy, eggs, and honey. Sure. And Claude's Instant actually came back with, actually a decent piece of content that could definitely be used as a base for, for video. So let's try a couple of different things here. Can you give us a list of keywords for company selling woodworking? So again, keyword lists could be challenging. Seems like we are not getting anywhere here. So let's restart. All right, Claude Instant came back pretty good. Big Science and Alpaca might have timed out and failed for us. All right. So let's sub out Alpaca. Let's go for the Cohere, and let's get Claude Instant. And actually, let's go to the Google one. So we'll do Google. Let's leave Big Science up there. I want to give Big Science a chance. Let's do a little code running. Can you write me a snippet of JavaScript that change a class name on a button every time another button is clicked? Oh. Even though I switched out, it looks like Cohere gave us some woodworking things, even though we switched the model. All right, so we're going to ask it to write us a little bit of JavaScript. All right, Google's Flan decides that it just, wow, okay. Interesting results here. It's trying. At least we got something we can work with. And then Big Science just gave up and returned a period. All right, so let's just do a couple more here. I want to get some responses out of these, so let's try maybe some more simple things. Can you give us a meal plan for a vegan diet for one person? All right, so that one feel like okay, Cohere came back with a strong answer. Cohere came back around. That's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. They actually gave us 5 meals, or no, full 7 meals. Okay, full 7 meals. All right, what haven't we tried? We did Alpaca. We've done the Coheres. The Claude Instant actually wasn't half bad, and we can actually compare. Let's do Claude Instant and then GPT 3.5. And probably the Cohere surprisingly was okay. All right, let's not give up on Google. Let's go back to Google Slan, and let's come up with another good prompt to test these out here. So we know Claude Instant in 3.5 GPT will be pretty good. So I'm trying to think of something that would be compelling here. Can you write? Oh no, that's not right. Can you find me the most popular? All right, this is a little topical, so this might. Honestly, I thought I would stump Google, but it gave us back. It gave us back an answer. Claude and GPT 3.5 pick different restaurants, which is interesting. I don't know how far back Claude's model goes. GPT 3.5 picked the TripAdvisor's 2020 top choices. So let's pause. Okay, so I have reached my free token limit for the day. So it looks like I gotta sign up to get more access. So I have been playing around with a lot of stuff. So I'll link up everything in the description so that you guys can test this thing out. I thought it was pretty cool just to see the different responses from the models. And you can kind of see, if one works better for you or if there's something that you like out of one. But we'll link it up. Thanks for taking the journey with me today, and enjoy, everybody. Thank you.